Today I'm taking a look at the Anbull half-inch deep impact socket set. Okay, so it does come with a case. And these are some nice jumbo sockets. So these are metric. I do really like that high contrast lettering on there, so I can easily see exactly what size this is. 35mm half-inch drive CRV. You can see that half-inch drive there on the back, and that is a 6-point socket that is drilled out on the corner, so it's going to be good for off-corner loading. And the hex does go all the way down to the bottom, so that way if you need to put this on a large, something like a lug nut or something like that, this is going to be able to accommodate that. It does have a hole going all the way through the center, so you can use a pin and O-ring if your impact accepts that. And we have got a total of 9 sockets. So we got 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 38. So the only skip there is a 37, which is super uncommon, as are most of these sizes anyway. So overall, that is a very complete set for our jumbo size sockets. Yep, sure does. Cool. So overall, that is an excellent socket set.